let's call on our starting lineup from our Air Women of the Instep Philippine Air Force. Wearing jersey number 3, Jennifer Manzano. At number 4, Wendy Ann Semana. Wearing jersey number 9, Liza De Ramos. At number number 10, Maria Teresa De La Rosa. Wearing jersey number 11, Cherry Rose Makatangay. And number 13, Aiza Maizo. Libero, number 16, Connie Resho. Head coach, Mr. Ariel Dong De La Cruz. Calling on our Philippine Army Women's Volleyball Team. At number 3, Joanne Bunag. Wearing jersey number 4, Mariette Carolino. At number 5, Mary Jean Balse. Wearing jersey number 9, Michelle Carolino. At number 11, Dalia Cruz. Jersey number 12, Maria Teresa Iratay. Libero, number 2, Patricia Shiatan Torres. Head coach, Corporal Rico De Guzman. Good luck to both teams.
Well, you have it right there, the starting sixes of both squads. Actually, it's like an all-star game when you see guest players from, that used to play as guest players in other teams in previous conferences. They're now playing together. We're talking about like the Carolina sisters playing alongside Mary Jean Balse. You have Dalia Cruz. They're all in one team playing against Cherry Rose Makatangay, Wendy Semana, so it's an exciting game.
And if you have followed this ladies closely over the last few years, pag tinignan mo yung mga history pages dito sa ating Shakey's WeLeague, tad-tad na mga pangalan itong mga nakikita natin for the season. Yung mga players who are able to accomplish so many things. As we take a look, of course, at the Philippine Army serving the first volleyball for this afternoon. And once again, that score for her squad and the other team nailing the first point for Army.
That's right, Michelle Carolino. A lot has been said about her. She's, through the years, she's even grown to be a more mature player. So aside from that athletic abilities that we're talking about, she has now the gulang in her game.
At pag pinag-usapan ng gulang, pati sa serve may gulang yan. Iratay nailing the first service ace para dito sa Army. Walang antay-antay, no?
That's right. I'm sure all these teams are eager to get it going here in this match.
Ay, anong pakiramdam mo? No, looking at the last two play dates and heading into the opening ng ating second conference, natuwa ko nung nakita ko yung mga pangalan ng mga lineups dahil parang starstruck ang nangyari sa akin dahil hindi ko naman sila nakita magkakasabay eh. Pero dito lahat.
So it's like an all-star game, East versus West.
Pero tournament, may pinaglalabanan.
Yes.
Mayat Carolino, that soft touch. Eh, sinasabi natin mga gulang, hindi na pataasan ng talon, hindi na pabilisan.
That's right, but a good block there by De La Rosa and Maizo.
Itong kupunan ng Air Force, as we take a look at this last sequence here, Noreen.
Well, that's a tower, that's a wall we're talking about. You have, who's your front line for Army? You have, for Air Force, you have De La Rosa, Makatangay, and Maizo.
At kailangan talaga, napakatataas. Kailangan talaga maganda rito ang reception ng Air Force dahil yan ang naging problema nila in that losing cause against San Sebastian. 3-2 here in the first set. Of course, if it's fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Ang tagal na natin magkakasama rito.
That's right. Actually, na-miss ko nga eh. I always look forward when I get the text or the email sa, okay, next, it's a new conference.
Again.
Yeah.
Tag-ulan, tag-araw, tag-init, tag-baha. Andito po kami sa inyong Shakey's WeLeague. Kaya sinasabi natin, wala kang pipiliin. And you have to catch the action live as we take a look at this last point by Philippine Army, courtesy of Balse.
Well, good play, good reception, a great set, and of course, if you have a great set, no doubt about it, Balsa will get that, that kill.
Dalia Cruz serving for Philippine Army. Semana setting up. Iratay going to Carolino. That's Mayet.
That's a sister.
Dalia Cruz, naninibago ako kay Dalia Cruz eh. Pero siguro, katulad ng ating mga viewers, it will take time for them to get used to named players playing for a different team. At nakita natin kanina yung mga enlisted players sa ating Bayang Magiliw, nakasaludo.
That's right.
At yung mga guest players naman, yes, yung mga guest players naman, nakalagay lamang sa dibdib. And Philippine Army comes out firing 5-3 here in the first set, Noreen.
Well, that's a, you know, in this play you can see that's a good example on how you can outsmart ball blockers. That's a good quick play there for Carolino.
Mikasa is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League. Mikasa MVA 300 dito sa ating Season 8.
Well, good cover there. Iratay to Balse.
Napakabilis ng reaction dito ng Philippine Army.
Well, if you look at, you know, not for anything, if you look at the fitness level of this Army squad, you know, even Michelle is lean. We're seeing in the pre-game coverage. She's very lean. Look at Balse. Maybe Air Force has to use more aggressiveness and more gulang.
At kailangan nilang tibayan ng kanilang depensa para makapunta sila na maka-attack. And Isa Maiso with that off-speed hit for the 4th point in the first set para dito sa koponan ng Air Force.
Whoa.
Balse with that miss hit.
Stutter step.
Pwede yan. Carolino digging. Buna getting that ball across. Isa Maiso with the rocket.
Oh, good cover.
The longest rally so far.
That's right.
Dito po tapos yan. Abang-abang lang.
Adli.
Pwede yan. Michelle Carolino.
Off speed.
Went down the line. Still down by 1, Air Force.
But that's what we're saying about Gulang. You know, they ended that long rally. It's not a strong spike.
Puro off-speed talaga eh.
Speed.
Mayroon po tayong mga kupunan na saktong mabibilis pa rin at matataas tumalon. Pero marami rin po tayong mga kupunan na magugulang maglaro. Carolina receiving. Iratay punching that ball across. Semana to Maizo.
Oh, Isa Maizo.
Only had 10 points in about 22 tries nung kanilang huling laban kontra San Sebastian. But here, getting that against a solitary blocker.
That's right. That was actually a good play for Air Force. Shank ball.
Unforced error laban dito sa koponan ng Army at Cherry Rose Makatangay giving Air Force a 1-point lead at 7 against 6. Ang tatangkad nila, no? Sabi mo kanina, may mga nakalaro ka dito, ha?
Yeah. I actually played against and with some of these people.
Maiso getting that ball safely across. Iratay. Running hit by Balse.
Good dig by Maizo.
Oh, too late. 2-point lead for Air Force. Heading into this first technical timeout. Ang ating pong handog this coming Sunday dito po sa The Arena in San Juan, San Sebastian, squaring off for Perpetual. Samantalang Ateneo ay lalaban sa koponan ng Philippine Air Force. At ang ating third member of the panel this afternoon, Mia Kalim, anong meron dyan?
Coach Ronnie, actually super excited to have to cover this game today kasi itong dalawang teams na to, talagang powerhouse. Dito kinukuha yung mga guest players from other teams. Kaya naman pag sila naglaro ng kanilang sariling roster, you would always know na talagang explosive ang mga games nila. And both coaches even told me na they know each other's system. Kaya naman, aside from their defense, it's gonna be battle of the brains. Now, Coach Rico de Guzman of Army, sabi niya, ang kailangan daw nilang gawin for this game today, maging aggressive, tsaka kailangan sila mas maging keen sa kanilang receive and reception. Ito naman si Coach Cruz of the Air Force, sabi niya, his players should be on the A-game for them to be able to beat the Army. Sabi niya, kung matutulog sila, kung pipikit man sila, kailangan 1 hour at a time, guys.
Hindi nga naman pwedeng pumikit ng sabay dahil baka hindi ka magising. At kung magising ka, baka talo ka na. So far to nakabawi rito ang Army after being down by as much as 2 points. 7 serving 8.
Well, you know that what Miyaka said was right. That these people, the coaches, they know. Yeah, because they play against each other. Olympics.
Bunag getting that point for Army. Tama sila naghaharap, no? Dun sa AFP Little Olympics. Nakapaglaro na rin ako dyan years ago. Kung kaya't alam natin na every year, year after year, sila nang sila yung nag-uutakan at nagugulangan upang mamuno dun sa ganong klaseng liga.
Are you play there?
Yes.
Oh.
Many years ago. Matagal na yun. Ito, 3 straight points after being down 8-6. Mayat Carolino serving. Of course, Axel is the official outfitter ng ating Shakey's V-League. Suki rin natin yan.
Well, you know, one person for me that you really have to watch out for in Air Force is Wendy Ann Semana. She's still got it. Her reflex, she was known, you know, to be quick.
Naalala ko yan.
Yeah.
Sa tagal ko siyang sinubaybayan. As we take a look at this last play, ito nga, Semana going to Maizo once again. How many times have we seen that combination? 9 points. Napangiti pa rito si Aiza. Isang dating MVP rin yan, no?
Yes.
Pero siyang may record, alam ko, regular season at finals MVP, nakuha niya sa isang conference.
Well, she does, you know, Wendy Ann, don't look at her height. I mean, but she makes up for it with her leap, no?
Saka matalino maglaro.
Matalino.
Nasundan ko siya nung siya ay naglalaro pa sa FEU.
Yes. So ngayon, wala nang FEU, wala nang UST there in one team.
One very strong team. And very tight first set. Base once again getting that ball across. Titignan natin dito yung mga blockers para dito sa Air Force. Lalong-lalo na pag umikot yan, kung sino yung nasa harap. Pag lumiit siya, siguradong bubugbugin niya nila Balse at ni Michelle Carolino. Balse serving. Semana trying to save that ball.
Oh, still alive. Oh, Bunag's playing very well for Army.
Like she did in the first game. Bunag also scoring well para dito sa Philippine Army. Siya ang second leading scorer para sa kanilang koponan in winning that game against yung kanilang rivals na Philippine Navy.
You know,
Balse, oh.
You know, Bunag is actually showing us that you don't need to really be so much powerful. You just know where to put it. You know, very simple volleyball. Wow, good save by Iratay.
Binagsak lang niya para masalo ng kanyang kasama. Iratay to Bunag. Kaya sinasabi natin, pag maliit ang blockers, advantage ang attackers. Dalia Cruz called for that fault. A double touch dito si Dalia.
That's right. Well, joust at the net, won there by Air Force. How often do you see that? Dalia Cruz losing out on a joust.
At saka bihira rin ako makakita ng mga ladies na mas maikli ang buhok sa akin. Pero ngayon, sa ating first set, marami na sila. Dalia Cruz with a power hit. Miscommunication between Cruz and Bunag.
Well, you know, Air Force, slowly but surely, they're just, you know, hanging around. In paper, people are saying Army strong. They're you know, they're more
Big names.
Big names. Their fitness levels better, but you know, Air Force is hanging around.
Especially that Philippine Air Force did not win a single set in their first game against San Sebastian. But here, kanina behind sila nung nag-umpisa. But lumamang sila ng 2 points. Bumalik ang Army. Lumamang na naman ng 2 points ang Air Force.
Well, the reception of Army obviously having some problems. Wow! Bunag again!
Tama yung sinabi mo. This time, maganda ang pag-receive. And Bunag with that second ball. 12, serving 13.
Bunag hitting it down the line. Parang wala siyang blockers in that play.